What is up, Burst TV? My name is Kelly. I'm a registered dental hygienist, and today I'm going to take you guys on a tour through my pediatric dental office. But we're going to have some fun with all the sounds you might hear when you come in. So each time I play a sound, I want you to try and guess what you're hearing, and after a few seconds, I'll show you what's make the noise. Let's see how great your listening skills are. Let's go. Well, Burst TV, how'd you guys do? Tell us down in the comments. And don't forget to come back every Thursday to a new video. And I hope all you ASMR video lovers loved this. See you in the next one, guys.